should still be in a good spot. Pretty cool. So, yesterday there were 9 states in total without 911 services. I think 4 states had no 911 services, and they were telling people to just use text message if they needed 911, and that's kind of crazy. They contributed it to someone putting a light pole in somewhere, they said caused it. But I mean, we're talking like 9 states all at the same time. No 911 services. Some people were saying it was just like a ransomware attack. But like, why ransom 911 services? That doesn't make sense. I think people don't know what some of these terms mean, so they just, throw around catchphrases. Ransomware, like ransomware you do to like make money and steal information, blackmail type thing. So it's like 911 services. Like, what are you gonna ransomware emergency tapes or something? I don't know. Now, what could happen is it's all like automated services, like switchboard type setups. It is possible that they could hack into it and just shut it down, make the service unusable, which makes more sense considering they we're telling people to use text messages. So there's that. Who knows? Just another day, another conspiracy. And now we're gonna go try and find some mushrooms, I guess. I don't think there's gonna be any out here. I have my doubts. There's a sort of obvious spot over here where they might grow, but I don't know. Because everybody goes down there, so let's see. Oh yeah, they got a little switch back here. Some water. Wow, look at that. Dude, I didn't even pay attention. I said though, this spot's pretty obvious. Look at how big that tree is, man. And this really was not a good spot to try and get down here. But here we are. The grass is coming up, getting green. I don't know how to get through here. Pretty green. Oh, Jesus. Whole ass hole. Almost sounds like I hear a drone or something. I swear I was right down here just the other day. It's growing up fast. Oh, dude. It's really difficult to navigate these rocks. See how steep it is. And a lot of the rocks are pretty loose. And I refuse to tie my shoes. So that helps a lot. It hurts. Ow, when you step on them wrong. And when you lose balance and grab a pricker bush, oh, fuck, dude. You gotta watch for porky cocksuckers. I mean, you can see how wet this was all this is washed down. I gotta pick these thorns out of my hand. Guess I gotta go to work. Working's fucking stupid. Slave to the system for dollars, man. You know, you don't even get anything of actual value, just something you can trade for things of value, and you get paid something that holds no actual value. Man, that looks like a big footprint. Fuck the system, man. Oh, look at these. Pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen the ferns coming up like that. I think it's just the road. Top of this. It's a little more gradual, less rocky. So we'll see. Lots of May apples right here, all over. Royal Crown Cola. Promise you that's old. Oh man. It's a whole big flat spot up here. Interesting. There's a bunch of these big glass bottles here. A1 solution, steak sauce. Interesting. Tree center. Oh shit. Slipping, falling. These big rocks are kind of a fucking nightmare. And this loose leaves, sometimes you'll step and it's just a fucking hole. I hate walking in the leaves like that. Now, just out here walking in the street, I almost watched this dude. That dude about fucking ran head on into another car. Crazy. It's either mint or catnip. Mint. And then they pay you. You get paid in dollars. And then the company that makes the dollars takes half your dollars, says you owe it to them. Think about that. Imagine you go to Walmart and you buy a bag of Doritos. It's 16 ounces, and they're like, okay, place 8 ounces here. and they take 8 ounces your Doritos, just because you owe them 8 ounces of Doritos, because you walked on the floor, and they're like, well, if we don't take half your Doritos, then who's going to clean the floors? What the fuck? Shit's crazy, man. It's crazy. Hopefully that thing wasn't clicking the whole time I was out here. I have a feeling it was. Got bugs. Dude looks like some kind of 70s mobster out here in his tracksuit. So he's gonna go knock off a casino. Or worse. If you're beating on this thing. I think there's a big ass pool in there.